So the stage is all set. Shubhanshu Shukla, Indian Air Force Group Captain and astronaut, is all set to enter the space. Second Indian after Rakesh Sharma. Proud moment for the entire nation. But the family is very excited for that particular moment. I have been joined by the sisters of Shubhanshu, father of Shubhanshu, and will try to get the sense of what actually is happening inside the family of Shubhanshu. I have been joined by Shubhanshu's father. अंकल आप बताइए कितना बड़ा मौका है आज, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ तस्वीरें इधर उधर शुभांशु की लगी हुई हैं, बचपने की तस्वीरें लगी हैं, जब वो इंडियन एयरफोर्स में आए तब की तस्वीरें भी यहाँ घर में मैं देख रहा हूँ लगी हुई हैं, एक जो ग्रुप कैप्टन जब वो होंगे तब की तस्वीर भी देख रहा हूँ, प्रधानमंत्री के साथ भी तस्वीरें। कितना बड़ा क्षण है आपके?
बहुत बड़ा क्षण है, हम लोगों का बहुत प्राइड फील कर रहे हैं अपने को। जितना मतलब ये है कि गौरव महसूस हो रहा है कि मतलब हम लोग जो है इस बच्चे ने हमको ये शुभ दिन दिखाया है और इतना मतलब उसको वेल विशेज मिल रही हैं, इतनी लोग दुआएं कर रहे हैं। इसके लिए हम सभी का धन्यवाद देते हैं और सभी को मतलब ये है कि इच्छाएं जो भी जिसकी जैसी इच्छा हो उसकी उसी ईश्वर जो है उसकी पूरी करें।
आपको ये क्या कब पता चला कि वो स्पेस में जाएंगे, तैयारी चल रही है इस चीज की?
ये हमें 28-29 जुलाई 2024 को पता चला। आखिरी मोमेंट में बताता है कि मतलब वो पहले नहीं, ये सबसे बड़ी उसकी यही है कि मतलब आखिरी मोमेंट में, और 2 अगस्त को उसे जाना था। तो वो इतना शार्ट पीरियड था कि उसमें उनका पासपोर्ट रिन्यूअल होना था, सभी कुछ कार्य होने थे। इस वजह से हम लोग भी नहीं जा पाए कि मतलब उनको डिस्टरबेंस होगा तो हम मुलाकात कर पाए, तो मुलाकात नहीं।
पिता अपने बेटे को अगर कोई मैसेज देना चाहे तो क्या देंगे?
हम मैसेज तो उसको क्या देंगे, मैसेज तो वो हमको देता है और ये है कि हम यही कहेंगे कि बहुत निर्भीक होकर जो है बिल्कुल, और निर्भीक है उसमें कुछ नहीं, बस हम ईश्वर से ही प्रार्थना करेंगे कि उसको अच्छी तरह उसको आशीर्वाद प्रदान करें जिससे उसकी पूरी जो है मिशन पूरा हो।
So I have been joined by sisters of Shubhanshu, both elder sisters, I must tell you. So you can expect the smiling faces of the sisters and I'll try to speak to them. So how's the excitement out here as I'm seeing the wide smile on your face, both of them? Proud moment for the nation. How it's happening in family, how you have interacted with Shubhanshu, what is he saying?
Our Josh is seriously high. How's the Josh, sir? Hi, sir. And we are just counting on that only. Super excited, super happy, and super proud.
What about you?
I'm also very super proud and very excited that the son, our brother, our son is going that, and God has given this beautiful opportunity to our family. That is a beautiful thing. The most beautiful thing ever happened to my family, that God has given this opportunity to my brother.
I'm seeing a picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Shubhanshu. What was that moment? Can you please tell me?
This is the picture of the day on which Gaganyaan mission, the 4 astronaut has been selected, and Mr. Prime Minister is giving those wings to them, all 4 of them, and batches. So it is the picture of that day only.
Okay. So what I read about Shubhanshu, that he was preparing for UPSC, and in the family nobody knew about whether he'll be going to be the Indian Air Force pilot. What actually happened right there?
This is a quite an interesting story over here. Actually, first thing first, he filled the form. One of his friend was not eligible for that. He purchased the form, but he was not eligible for that examination. So randomly, he gave that form. Ki Shubhanshu, I am not able to fill this form.
Himself. He took the form himself from the friend. Yes.
And I'll fill it.
I will fill the form and will give the exam. Yes.
Please continue.
It's okay. So the same story. It was the date was the 2001 December, 11th December, and the paper I think was on the 12th December. Okay. The 11th December was their marriage. My sister's marriage in the house.
Her marriage.
Yes, the sister marriage was in the house, and no one knows about. Not even 1% about this. This exam is tomorrow, and he's going to do that. And what about the preparation? We don't know when he did that preparation. And
That's such a tough exam.
Exactly, NDA exam. People do the coachings for that. People do the years and years preparation for that. And next day morning, when the Vidai function was going on, each and everyone is screaming, crying. My father was furious at that time. Where is he? Come back, call him. I will do this. I will do. He's not present. His brother. He has to do some rituals, like to hold the sister and all that something. And he was not there. So when after some time he was coming back, rushing out on the bicycle, he throws the bicycle like this on at the main gate and pass by the father. I will not face my father at that time, otherwise my father will eat me at that time. And he goes to the mother and said, now tell me what the work I have to do. And
Happening at the time of Vidai.
yes, at Vidai Samaro of my sister's marriage at that time. And by the moment he has arrived, then he was present at there 200%. Now tell me what I have to do. And by the morning, by the night, he has not eaten breakfast and he has not taken bath, and he has given the paper by alone himself. And even after that, he was doing all the course at the house. No one has asked him, have you drink a glass of water?
Did you ask your brother, where were you in my wedding?
No, I haven't. I was busy.
I was shocked. I was shocked. Where were you? And you are not afraid of my father and all that elders, people in the present who are ready to scold him. Are you not afraid? What will they say to you? So forget about that. Where was I? Doesn't bother. That was not your job. And I am present. Tell me what to do. I have to put her, I will put her in the car and do the vidai. That was the moment of that. And I was shocked कि इस लड़के को डर क्यों नहीं लगता है. इस लड़के को डर नहीं लगता है. उसके पास में he has complete focused कि if my job is this, I will do this job anyhow. If result will come, then what will people say? They will have say to nothing.
And when you got to know about that, because it was your wedding?
Yes, of course. I got to know later, like 2 days later only. But the thing is that this is what he is always. He never shares the process of that his challenges or whatever he's doing. But this is the part, the crux of this is whole story, that this is coming out in a very interesting way. But the whole crux of this story is this only. Whatever job he takes it very seriously. And wherever he's present, he gives his 200% into that. Like he has to give that examination, he has to give. No matter my marriage is there or I'm dying. If I'm dying also, if he has to give the examination, he would go. And second thing, but if he is here, so nothing matter outside, he will pay full attention over here with the family member, and as a brother, as a son, as a husband, he will give 100% over
How
there.
regularly he speaks to the family? Like if he's in the...
Regularly. Like if there are 7 days in a week, he speaks to us minimum 6 days in a week. He is very regular.
Lastly, what interaction would you have?
Last interaction we had this only. He was highly happy and excited, sharing his experiences that he is going for the final preparations and all, and saying this only, that I'm highly happy and positive about it, because I had done a lot of hard work and effort for this particular mission, and the day has arrived now. So he's highly happy for that.
Posters outside the house. I saw some kids clicking selfies as well. So when you were kids, all three, you guys ever thought about this thing that...
Never. Sometimes we are jealous. We also feel jealous. Where are you going now? Where are you going? You are not matching vibes. हमारी अब नहीं हो रही है हमारी एक जैसी, तो अब थोड़ा बहुत तो feel होता ही
I
है.
think both of us now can see that we can say it together now that our brother is out of this world now.
You guys are celebrating. He's emerging victorious and you guys are celebrating.
Of course we are celebrating. He is doing all the hard work and we are having the party over.
Equal happiness.
Highly happy. Excitement is like that. Excitement is a very small word right now, and we are proud, highly proud for him.
We always call him Mr. Cool. Even if it is his marriage, her marriage, your marriage, my marriage, whatever the function is in, his temperament and his attitude always remain the same.
Like MS.
Same platform. Even if it is now, today now, we just talk to him, and if he is talking to us in the same attitude manner, okay, I have eaten this breakfast, what you have eaten, everything is cool here, you be cool. Like that, nothing is happening around him like this.
Final message for him, because just hours left now.
No message, just we love him. We love you, and we are superbly proud of you. Whatever you are doing the best, and not only for us, it's for the whole nation, it's for the whole world, and we all are superbly proud of you.
Thank you so much for the time, all of you. So you heard the family of Shubhanshu Shukla, such a proud woman for the nation. It's not just about a family, a mohalla, a city or a state. It's about the nation, and for the nation, entire country is proud of Shubhanshu Shukla at the moment.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.